Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to install various operating systems in VPS in Oracle Cloud. You can use this method to reset your VPS, reinstall OS in your VPS and do various tasks. Everyone can use this method because there are no requirements for using this method. You can install these operating systems. Also, there are different versions of each operating system. Let's see what things we are going to do in this video. You need to follow first step to seventh step respectively. First, you need to download text file. This text file contains things needs to use in this video. You can find download link of text file in description. After you click on the download text file of script link, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Now scroll down and you can see download text file topic. As say in here, click on subscribe YouTube channel button and subscribe YouTube channel and come back here to downloads text file. So, let's do it. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now, you are going to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't already subscribe it, you can't download text file if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel. I don't do anything because I already subscribed. So, let's go back to that page. As say here, we can see text file button after some time because I subscribed YouTube channel. But if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, you can't see text file button. So, let's wait some time. Now you can see text file button. Click on it. Now you are going to Medify website. Click on download button. Text file is being downloaded now. So, let's start our video. Downloading UEFI IPX bootloader. First, log in to your VPS. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS. Text file. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you have added a password to root account, type here and press enter. Now you have administrative privileges. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS. Text file. Copy downloading UEFI IPX bootloader command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Next we need to go to Instance Details page in this VPS. Creating console connection in instance in Oracle Cloud. This is the Instance Details webpage of VPS. You can create console connection to this instance from here. Usage of Oracle Cloud Console connection is remotely troubleshooting malfunctioning instances. So, let's create console connection. Scroll down. Click on Console Connection. The easiest way to access console connection is using Oracle Cloud Cloud Shell. Click on Launch Cloud Shell Connection. If you are doing this work using an Android device, please move to your computer or use a RTP connection just like me. Now console connection is ready to use. Next we are going to run UEFI IPX bootloader. Running UEFI IPX bootloader. For running UEFI IPX bootloader, you need to do is just rebooting your instance. So, scroll up. Click on Reboot button. Enable Force Reboot option. Now click on Force Reboot Instance button. Now you can see UEFI IPX bootloader is loading. Click on down arrow key to select Linux Network Installs ARM64 option. Press enter. You can install all of these Linux distributions. I choose Ubuntu Linux. Installing Ubuntu Linux. Choose Ubuntu option using down arrow key. Press Enter. You can install all of these releases. I choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS Jammy Jellyfish. Press Enter. Click on down arrow key to choose Rescue Mode option. Press Enter. Now it is downloading the VMLA news, the initramfs, and the rootfs files. Press Enter. Now type exit and press Enter. It takes some time. Now we are in the Ubuntu installer. Click on down arrow to select Continue in Basic Mode option. Press Enter. If you want, change layout and variant. I use default ones, so press Enter. Ubuntu Server is a variant of the Ubuntu operating system specifically designed for server environments. It provides a lightweight and efficient platform for running various server applications, such as web servers, database servers, file servers, and more. Ubuntu Server does not have a graphical user interface (GUI) by default, and it is typically managed through the command line. Ubuntu Server Minimized is a minimal version of Ubuntu Server that includes only the essential packages required to run a server. It is even more lightweight than the standard Ubuntu Server, as it does not include any unnecessary packages or services. Ubuntu Server Minimized is ideal for environments where resource usage needs to be minimized, or for users who prefer to install only the necessary components manually. Storage usage difference of them is about 2 GB. You can use Search for Third-Party Drivers option to search for and install third-party drivers for various hardware components, such as graphics cards, wireless adapters, and more. I use Ubuntu Server Minimized option. Use up arrow key to select Ubuntu Server Minimized option. Press Enter to enable Ubuntu Server Minimized option. Use down arrow key to choose Done option. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. It is testing Ubuntu Archive Mirror. Ubuntu Archive Mirror contains Ubuntu software packages, so wait until passing the test. Press Enter. Press Enter. LVM is used to manage logical volumes. I don't use LVM option, so I need disable it. Select Setup this disk as an LVM group option using down arrow key. Press Enter. Use down arrow key to choose Done option. Press Enter. Select Partition 1 option in used devices using up arrow key. Press Enter. Click on down arrow key to select Edit option. Press Enter. Move insertion point to end of the line using right arrow key. Now clear all things in the line. Type 99M. Select Save option using down arrow key. Press Enter. Select Partition 2 option in used devices using down arrow key. Press Enter. Click on down arrow key to select Edit option. Press Enter. Move insertion point to end of the line using right arrow key. Now clear all things in the line. Type max value shown in here. Select Save option using down arrow key. Press Enter. Use down arrow key to choose Done option. Press Enter. Click on down arrow key to choose Continue option. Press Enter. Type your name here. Click on down arrow key to go to next blank box. Type name for your VPS. Click on down arrow key to go to next blank box. Type Ubuntu. This is your SSH username. Click on down arrow key to go to next blank box. Type some complex password. This is SSH password and root password. Click on down arrow key to go to next blank box. Type your password again. Click on down arrow key to select Done option. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Select Done option using down arrow key. Press Enter. I don't want to install these packages, so I don't enable any of these. Select Done option using down arrow key. Press Enter. Now wait until system installation is completed. Select Cancel Update and Reboot option using down arrow key. Press Enter. It's rebooting. You can access your VPS now. Next we are going to make some modifications in SSH settings. Adding SSH Public Key. Now installation process is over, so if you want, you can exit from console connection and create new one. There are several types of authentication methods that can be used with SSH. Main methods are password authentication and public key authentication. Password authentication is generally considered less secure than public key authentication because passwords can be vulnerable to brute force attacks or password guessing attempts. So, we are going to add SSH public key now. First you need to generate SSH key pair. There are several ways to do it. I will show you the easiest way. Go to Create Compute Instance page in your Oracle Cloud account. Click on Save Private Key and Save Public Key. Now you have new SSH private and public key pair. Now let's add this. Go back to console connection. Press Enter. Type username that you typed before. Press Enter. Type password that you typed before. Press Enter. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Copy root access command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press Enter. Type password that you typed before. Press Enter. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Now copy adding SSH public key command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. Now you need to put SSH public key here. So, let's get SSH public key from previously generated SSH key pair. We'd open a file previously downloaded that name contains key.pub using your text editor. Copy all texts in that file. Go back to console connection. Paste copied texts. Press Ctrl+X. Type Y. Press enter. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Copy Restarting SSH Service command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. Now try to log into your VPS using SSH username and SSH private key that previously generated. You can make sure everything is working fine using this method. Next we are going to disable SSH password authentication. Disabling SSH password authentication. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Copy Editing SSH Configuration command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. Search for #password authentication yes phrase using down arrow key. Now remove hash. Now change yes to no. Press Ctrl+X. Type Y. Press enter. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Copy Editing Additional SSH Configuration command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. Change yes to no. If there isn't password authentication yes phrase, you don't need to do anything. Press Ctrl+X. Type Y. Press enter. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Installing Oracle Cloud Agent. Oracle Cloud Agent is a lightweight process that manages plugins running on compute instances. Plugins collect performance metrics, install OS updates, and perform other instance management tasks. If you want to install Oracle Cloud Agent, follow this. Copy Installing Oracle Cloud Agent command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. OK, let's reboot VPS. Go to Installing OS in Oracle Cloud VPS.txt file. Copy Rebooting VPS command. Go back to console connection. Paste copied command and press enter. Now VPS is rebooting. Close console connection. You can log into your VPS using SSH connection after rebooting. Use SSH username and SSH private key for it. So, now you have a brand new VPS. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share this video. Put comment on video.